Spoiler alert, guys. Don't go any further and watch this video. Go back 5 or 6 videos. You'll see it on my playlist. Start from the beginning and watch my beekeeping journey. This is yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. How things can turn around. Hive number 1. This is the one we want. Yeah, ripper! Follow the journey through to see why I'm so excited right now. Spoiler alert. G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Ian's Wonderful World of Bees. Special day today in 2 ways. Firstly, getting in on my hives. Hive 2 should be rolling around nicely. We'll have a quick look at that. New queen from the supersedure queen's been in there for 2 and a bit weeks. I should be seeing a lot more brood. Hive 1, new queen, 8 days ago. Now my friend who I purchased a queen for also said that her queen had exited the queen cage in 2 days. So if that's the case with mine, that queen's been out for 6 days. So we might get a little bit of capped brood if I'm lucky, but we should be seeing a lot of larvae if, and this is if, the queen decides to stay around. So I'll get my smoker lit, we'll head down and take a look. The other second reason why it's a special day today is I sold my car. You may have seen it in last week's video where I drove down to pick up the queen, my Volkswagen Amarok. I'd had that car for 8 years. Absolutely loved my car, did everything I wanted it to do. It was my first personal car in a long, long time. The rest of my vehicles had been company vehicles. So it was a little bit sad to see my car drive away this morning. Now I'm carless for at least the next week until I can pick up a new one. You may be wondering what I'm packing my smoker with here. It is the bark from a messmate tree. It's pretty good stuff. My friend Greg from the beekeeping club I'm at taught me this method. What he does is he jams this in until it's literally rock solid. The reason for that is it actually helps to keep the smoke that's coming out of the smoker a lot cooler, and it prevents any ash from coming out onto the bees. We're good to go. See you down there. Hive number 2. Let's go. The girls are looking very relaxed today. We'll soon wake them up. Come on girls, draw some comb out. I still can't remember which way I put these in and out. I'm going to go grab a texter and mark these up. A little tip, if you can't remember which way you're putting your frames in and out, like me, grab a texter and just put a mark on the frames. That way, you're always going to have them back in the way they came. Now we had a little bit of chalk brood in here last week. Larvae, capped brood. Bit of weight there. It's looking good. I'm not disturbing these guys too much today, just a quick look. Doesn't appear to be any major infestation of chalk brood. Come on girls, draw that comb. I'm not sure if you'll see this, but down this section here, the queen's been, and she's been laying some eggs. Oh, there's a queen there. Oh, pitch in on her. Here she is right there. Check her out. I'll see if I can mark her. Get in there. Oh, caught my queen! Caught my queen! Gotta mark her up. Now this is a new queen. Get you in on it. There she is. This is a new queen because I remember marking the previous queen in there. So absolutely wrapped. My super seizure took place. She's quite light in colour. So what we do is we need to just gently bring her to the top. And she hasn't got as big a abdomen than I was hoping for. That's it, there we go. So I'm just gonna mark her. Oh, you're gonna move. Don't move. Check that out. Got her marked. Oh, you ripper. Hopefully I'll be able to spot this girl a lot easier in future, and I know that I have a marked queen in here. I'll just let that dry for a moment. You always worry when you're pushing them up to mark them like that you're not hurting the queen. You have to do it quite gently. Look, I'll release her, she'll be right now. I'll bring her in on it. Here she comes. Hive number one. This is the one we want. 8 days ago, I purchased and placed a new queen in here. Go back and take a look at the previous video. Going in, see what we can find. Hopefully she's stayed around. Sugar has gone. You ripper, take a look. Here we go. She's out. Never going to be any doubt. Okay, let there be brood. Oh, queen, queen, queen. She's not marked. Just got to be patient. I don't want to hurt her. Got her. Oh, 2 queens in one day! Yeah, ripper! Oh. Okay. What is the luck? Maybe my luck's turning around for me. Got her. So settle down, girl. Okay, let that dry. I'm just waiting for her to climb down a little bit. I don't want to damage her when I remove the yellow capping here. Here we go. Go on, darling. Yes, you little ripper! 2 queens, 2 queens, 2 queens. Yep. How happy am I? Oh yeah, and she's been laying like crazy too. There's a good quantity just in this pile here. I'm not going to lift this frame up. I want to get her back in. That's all I need to see. Two queens, baby, 2 queens. I feel like a pig in shit, I gotta say. I've just got to find a muddy area so I can roll all around. 2 queens. I found them both. They're both laying. How things can turn around. This is absolutely magnificent. I'm so happy. I hope you followed the journey from day one, about 5 or 6 episodes ago, to see why I'm so excited right now to have queens, you little whipper.